So again, let's solve the second question for function point analysis. Let's revise this table. You know this now. Comes as shortcut 3, 4, 6. Then again you have 4, 5, 7. Then again we have 3, 4, 6. Then we have 7, diagonal 7, 10, diagonal 10, 15 and 5. This is your table. So let's proceed. So question is, given the following values, compute the function point when the complexity adjustment factors CAF and weighing factors are average. What do you mean by this? They are saying that the complexity factors and the weighing factors are average. What do you mean by average? Your scale for function point analysis is from 0 to 6. So average means the middle value. Middle value means 3. So 3 into we'll do 14. Why 14? Because we know that there are total 14 questionnaires in the functional point analysis. So in the theory part we saw that there were 14 questionnaires. Where did that go? Let me check. Yeah. So we saw that how many questionnaires were there. There were sum of all 14 questionnaires is what? Summation of FI. So because we have not been given summation of FI directly in the question, we will do 3 into 14. That is 3 is the average into 14. That is sum of all questionnaires. So that means we get 42. Rather than giving individual numbers to us and then adding them to find summation of FI, they tricked us and they said that the complexity adjustment factors and weighing factors are average. When they say so, you have to remember that the scale is from 0 to 6 and total there are 14 questionnaires. So average means 3 into 14, that is 42 will be your summation of FI. They have given user input 50, user output 40, user inquiries 35, user file 6, external interface 4. So step number 2 is CAF complexity adjustment factor is how much? 0.65 plus 0.01 into 42, that is summation of FI, which comes out to be 1.07. As the weighing factors are also average, so we multiply each with the average. So 50. So we know that. How is it? 3, 4, 6 for your user input. For your user output, it is 4, 5, 7 for user inquiries. So this is EI, EO, EQ. User inquiries, it is 3, 4, 6. For user files, that is the ILF, it is 7. So yeah, correct. 7, then 10, 10, 15 and 5. This is your ELF. So now how will you multiply? They have been given you that it is average. Average means you have to take these values into consideration. So 50 will be multiplied by 3. So 50 will be multiplied by 4. So 50 into 4 plus 40 will be multiplied by 5. So 40 into 5 plus 35 into 4. 6 into 10. 4 into 7. 682, 628, 628 is what? It is my count total. So you got count total, you got CF, multiply them together, you will get function point. So this question was on average scale. Weighing factors were also average and the complexity adjustment factor was also average. Now, what is the difference between FPA and LOC? This can come for 5 marks. FP is specification based, LOC is analog based. FP is language independent, LOC is language dependent. FP is user oriented, LOC is design oriented. FPA is extendable to LOC. LOC is convertible to FP. These are the differences between FP function point and LOC line of code.